سلام بچه ها. Hello children. I come back with another science experiment. Today I want to show you walking water. Look, we have 5 clear glasses, food colors, water, and paper towel. I begin my experiment by filling up the glasses every each other. Like this. Then we use 3 different food colors. This one is blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is red. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You need to drop the food color into the glasses with water, not the empty glasses. This one is green. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 drops. Now they mixed up, yeah? Now we use a paper towel. You need to fold it like this and then like this. Put one side in the water glass and the other one in the empty one. We need 4 pieces for this experiment. Hold it. One more. And this one. Now these are ready. Then we leave them sit for about 3 or 4 hours, and after 3 or 4 hours you can see what will happen. After 3 or 4 hours, the water travel up through the water paper and fill up the empty glass. Look, these 2 empty glasses filled with 2 color water, and these 2 colors are mixed. Look at the purple color here. Blue and red mixed, and they made purple. By this experiment, we can understand how the water walks and how the water gets to the leaves of the tree from the roots. The leaves of the tree can get their water from the roots like this, by throwing the water. Okay, you can try it at your home. Bye.